I didn't start with money. I started with one notebook. Plain, cheap, nothing special. I called it my Kaizen book because I was tired of big plans that never worked. Every night I wrote one small thing, just one. What I learned today, what I did wrong, what I could improve tomorrow. No motivation quotes, no fancy handwriting, just truth. Day 1, nothing changed. Day 7, still nothing. Day 30, something felt different. I was becoming aware. That's the first secret. Money doesn't come from ideas, it comes from awareness. In my Kaizen book, I had 4 simple pages. One page for skills. Every day I wrote one tiny skill I practiced. Editing for 20 minutes. Writing one paragraph. Learning one shortcut. Small but consistent. One page for mistakes. Not to feel bad, but to stop repeating them. Rich people don't avoid mistakes. They document them. One page for time leaks, where my hours disappeared, scrolling, overthinking, waiting. That page alone saved me more money than any advice ever did. And one page for ideas. Not business plans, just problems I noticed. Because money follows problems, not passion. The power of the Kaizen book is not writing, it's reflection. Most people live on autopilot. Same days, same habits, same results. This book breaks the loop. You don't need confidence to start. You don't need money to begin. You just need honesty. Every day, one small improvement daily. That's Kaizen. And over months, your skills compound. Your discipline compounds. Your income follows. Rich isn't built in one decision. It's built in tiny, boring actions done consistently and written down so you never forget who you're becoming. Start tonight. One page, one truth. That's how it begins.